Welcome back to the Vacca Farm Stay channel. It's almost Thanksgiving and I'm excited to celebrate my very first Thanksgiving at Vacca. And right now I'm at my friend's store, Danielle's Designs, and Danielle is going to teach me how to make a budget-friendly outdoor table out of reclaimed material. Come on, let's go.
Hey!
Hey!
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good
to see you too. I'm so excited.
We're excited. So I got Kevin set up. This is Kevin Jones.
Hi, Kevin.
He can do anything. He takes my visions and builds it.
Oh.
So I think he'll be perfect for your project. So a really neat way to make a farm table would be to use an old door. So a lot of the old doors are solid wood and they have different panels, 5-panel door, 6-panel door. So let's see what we can find. I have a pile for you to come dig through.
We're gonna go look through doors.
Yep.
These are beautiful. Wow.
So these literally came out of an attic of an old house.
Really?
But these, you can see, like, this is a 5-panel door here. There's several of them. This one's a little bit bigger. I really think this is a 30-inch door. I think this would be the perfect size.
I like it. I can see this being the perfect long, narrow table that I had in my imagination.
Yay. We'll get Kevin to come help us pull it out.
Kevin! I was a little bit in over my head. I have never built a table before, but the deal was they would help me, but I also had to help. I had to be part of the project. All right. Let's get to work.
Heavy duty eye protection.
Kevin was incredible. He knew what he was doing. He was sanding, he was cleaning, he was cutting. I was just trying not to get in his way.
So what we're doing now is we're gonna sand the pieces where the sander can't get to, using just hand sandpaper to do that. I really think we're just about done. We're to the point where we can kind of vacuum it off and get rid of the dirt. But you kind of keep sanding until you like it, until it's what you're looking for. Okay, the table's coming along really well, the tabletop. So let's go see about picking some legs and an apron.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm following you. This is where the magic is.
That's right.
Oh, I love that color.
So I definitely wanted to show you these.
Oh, yes, 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 yes.
So these came out of an old house. We pulled down some paneling and this was a treasure hidden beneath. So I love this. It's layers and layers of paint. I think this could be really awesome for the apron, which is the part that goes around the bottom of the table. All right, let's go see what it looks like with our tabletop. So this board would be our apron. And the apron is the part of the table. Let's see, help me lift it up, Mary.
Okay.
Because it's a little heavy. And then the apron is the part that goes just underneath here. It'll set back a little bit.
Oh, wow.
And it helps hold the structure of the table. And then our legs kind of fit behind the apron. So you can see how the colors will go really nicely.
Yes. What's wonderful about this project is everything was reclaimed. It was an antique door that she found in an attic, and it's so much better than just going out and buying a table.
So I pulled these, Kevin and I pulled these out already. So what we would do is cut them off and thin them down a little bit, and we're gonna end up making what seems to look like a little square for the legs. Okay, so we made our post, our first leg. You like it?
I love it, it's beautiful.
Yay. So our goal is that our tabletop is 30 inches from the bottom of the ground to the top of the table, so a regular dining chair would fit inside. So we have created these 4 pieces of wood to then put together to create a 3.5-inch post. And it's out of recycled fence boards. We're gonna use the air nailer to put it all together, and then we'll start building our apron.
So once we have 4 legs, then
4
it's
legs.
the apron?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, so we have our 4 posts ready. We got our door top ready, our tabletop, and now we're gonna make the apron. We're gonna flip the tabletop over, build the little frame for the apron, and set the legs, and it'll be ready.
So we're almost done.
We're almost done, yep.
So we finally finished the table. The last few steps, they asked me to stay away because they wanted to surprise me. And boy, when I saw it, when I saw how the colors came together, we didn't paint anything. We just used all reclaimed wood that already had some paint on it. But Danielle and her magical, beautiful eye, she was able to match colors and tones, and oh, I was so happy.
Hey Mary, you ready?
I'm ready. I'm so excited.
Come see.
Oh, it's so pretty.
What do you think?
It's so pretty. Oh my goodness. I can't believe this, like an hour ago, this was just a door and some scrap wood. Oh my gosh, I can't wait for Thanksgiving. Thank you. Everything was recycled, everything was reclaimed. It's so much more special than going out and buying a table. This is my table, it's custom. It is the only table of its kind, and it's here at Vacca.
Yay, ready for Thanksgiving?
I'm ready for Thanksgiving. Thank you, I'm so happy.
You're welcome.